Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining our 21 days challenge. For today, we're going to be discussing about your magic number. So my question is, what is your magic number? I have sent you your meal guide or your meal plan. So nakalagay doon kung ano yung magic number. Some of you 1,000, some of you 1,100, some of you 1,300. So that's your magic number. So bakit siya magic number? Makikita nyo later. Alright? Okay. Ayan. So do you still remember? So balikan nyo yung message ko sa inyo kung ano yung magic number nyo. It's a magic number because if you keep it in mind and limit your intake as per the number of calories suggested, you may achieve results. You may, kasi kailangan may effort kayo. So this is a partnership. Hindi lang ako, hindi lang kayo. Tayong dalawa. Kaya every day, I'm gonna be reminding you about your lunch. I want to see your lunch. I want to see your plate. Kung nag-shake na ba kayo. Mga ganon. Remember, everything you take in has calories. Water lang ang 0 calories. I'm going to show you an illustration of some food na high in calories. Yung even sweets and candies, meron din yung calories. So always be mindful to cut your calories, not only food. This is an example of yung daily natin na nakakain or yung nakikita natin. If you can see sa illustration, yung milk, muna tayo sa liquid. Liquids have calories. So for example, yung milk, 90 calories. Yung mga juice na iniinom natin, 160 to 200 calories. Yung coffee, 60 calories. Candies, 60 to 80 calories. Slice of cake, 400 calories. Depende pa yan kung anong flavor ng cake. So these are just estimates ng calories. So 1 cup of rice is equivalent to 200 calories. Slice of pork, 300 calories. Yung beef or yung steak, 600 calories. Yung isang meal kagaya ng petso and half rice, 500 calories. Yung vegetable, 150 calories. Yung isang burger, similar to what you see on the screen, is 600 calories. Soft drinks, 200 calories. French fries, 400 calories. At isang pirasong tasty or yung tinapay, 100 calories na po yan. So go back to your magic number. For example, this is how you are going to compute your meal for the day. Kung paano mo siya hahatiin sa isang araw. For example, 1,100 calorie yung magic number mo. So kapag nag-breakfast ka, let's say yung shake mo, 100 calories. So minus 100 calories na dun sa magic number mo, may iwanan ka ng 1,000 calories. 1,000 calories, kakainin mo yan, i-divide mo yan sa snack sa umaga, lunch, snack sa hapon, at dinner. So let's say, after taking in your shake sa umaga pagkagising mo, minus 100, so 1,000 na lang. Magkakaroon ka ngayon ng snack. Halimbawa, another 100. Nagtinapay ka, another 100. So may matitira sa yung 900 calories. Kapag lunch ka na, let's say ang kinain mo sa lunch is yung nasa illustration, let's say yung petro at saka half rice. So 500 calories. So ilan ang natira? 900 minus 500. Matitirahan ka ng 400. So yung 400 na yon, yun yung yun yung natitirang calorie intake mo for the rest of the day. So ganun mo siya kukumputin. Kaya minsan nagsosobra-sobra kasi halimbawa 1,100 lang yung calories mo pero sa isang upuan nakatatlong french fries ka. 400 calories halimbawa times 3. So 1,200 na yon, isang upuan lang. Meron ka pang ibang meal. So, sobra-sobra kaya tayo nag-gain ng weight. Ito daw yung mga kailangan ng katawan natin. So, yung basic, protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Siyempre, kailangan din ng fiber ng katawan natin. Kailangan din ng hydration. Kailangan din ng rest and sleep, of course. Kailangan din ng yung healthy fats ay omega-3. Kailangan din ng vitamins and minerals, phytonutrients, and of course, exercise. So what you see here is yung balance nutrition na kailangan ng katawan natin. So, bakit kayo nagsishake tuwing umaga? Bakit kayo tinatanong kung nakapag-shake na ba kayo? Because yung first meal of the day mo, eto na yung makukuha mo agad. All these nutrients in one shake. Try to imagine isang cup of shake, meron ka ng 9 grams of protein. Ang equivalent nun ay 2 eggs. Meron ka ng vitamin A. Ang equivalent nun ay isang peach. Meron ka ng vitamin E. Ang equivalent nun ay 2 avocados na kaagad. Meron kang vitamin C. Ang equivalent nun ay 1 cup of blueberries. Mahal ang blueberries, di ba? Meron ka na ring fiber. Ang equivalent nun ay isang banana na kaagad. Tapos meron ka ring calcium na kaagad. Ang equivalent nun ay 2 cups of cottage cheese. So try to imagine kung bibilihin mo lahat yung binanggit ko. Mataas ang calorie nun, di ba? Pero yung shake natin, it only has 90 calories. Pero kumpleto na yung nutrients na makukuha mo in a single meal. That's why best siyang inumin talaga in the morning. Ayan. Our products work together to help you get started with your healthy eating habits. So our purpose talaga is to provide you the nutrients your body needs and of course, i-guide kayo sa inyong wellness journey. Once again, I would like to remind everyone that we also have to take care of our body kasi isa lang yan. It's the only place we have to live. Kapag nawala yan, wala na tayo. Okay? So, also, I would like to remind everyone na you are always one decision away from a totally different life. So, it's always your decision every single day, every single meal to live your best life. Okay? Bye! See you sa ating next video.